pira yobwanchani chinga kichinde chonsi bakumirana elyo gutanga amarwire ao bunari yenyamoryo na marwire ndonsi Anthony wanoni bababwatani ao kurwa serikali ya county ya Kisii rishirika ria AIDS Healthcare Foundation hamwe na Borko University ya Kisii baligania maegerio yokurobo semia obwa segetike University ya Kisii abasaye nigo bono baburi go kwenekya buna nkwirenda bare na gwetanga kurwa samarwire ao wetera sobo tumeki bwemepira yobwanchani buna gutumanya murikito Wycliffe Orenge
Neri tuko dio gochengera na bego kuroba semia igoro ibo tumeke bwe pira yo wanchani go seche condom imeyen sengi mam Mosangerekano yokorekana asegetike University ya Kisii abu asabwatani ao bakora wane kiombe kya AIDS Healthcare Foundation na AHF serikali ya county ya Kisii ikiombekeria kia daraja mbili Vision Volunteers enyagitari ya Oasis Kisii University ya Kisii amana babwatani bande babwatirana kuroba semia ogopimwa kwa bosa kuborwere bwenyamoryo naboigo obosemia igoro ibo tumeke bwe pira yo wanchani bunenchera yemo yogotanga okwambukirania kwa morera Anthony egati yabasaye
mweka mawe weka condom weka condom
hapo juu then unaifikisha mwisho.
Mtu mwingine mimi namueleza wale ambao anasema eti sitatumia condom maana eti niko na allergy. Mwenzangu ukishikwa na ukimwi ni hivyo.
Bago kwana na baralia asomo sangerekano yo nigo ababwatani abu basemiria basaye kweneke bunango tumeka bare mepira yo bwanchani chinga kichide kyo elio betanga kurwa asamorira awao na boigo amaritagia nkyo.
So noting we have, while condom is we talk about prevention as the ultimate flex, talking about safer is sexy, looking at prevention in terms of HIV and AIDS. Well, we have other methods in terms of prevention. For example, we have the PrEP that is also being launched today. We have to understand that it only prevents HIV.
And that the condom is not only preventing HIV, it is also preventing other diseases like gonorrhea, syphilis, and hepatitis. It has been proven that this is the most effective.
Ronyana bo ni gangene nerero yo kweneke buna otambukirigwa ko buriro bw'enyamoryo amona yanda mange kurena kolense anakima asegatia basaye.
We also look at just again amplifying that in Kenya we are looking at how do we ensure that we eliminate the triple threat, the GBV, the teen pregnancy, and HIV and AIDS. Looking again at condoms, again can still work towards prevention of unplanned pregnancies.
What I would love to say is it's better you know your status than knowing nothing. Than you spreading to other people you love, it's better to know your status and also to take the preventive measures that are supposed to be taken.
Proiro bunyamoryo negatia maruira alia achandira bange ne serikali yensi ya Kenya negebegete merubelie mbenge yo kweneke buna ngokia na bore naigo ekero ankyo ereli tukulyo bwanchani kono niga bantu bonsi babori okurendana asenchire ndonge
ili tusuie kuliko tiba maana ukishuka na ukimwi ni hivyo ushaisha. Sisi ni vijana na si jamii inatuhitaji tuelimishe viongozi wa kesho.
I want to urge that our young people, to encourage them to start using condoms as one of the preventive measures, and that the condom is not only preventing HIV, it is also as one of the preventive measures.
There's a prevention injection that is going to be launched today. It's wengine ambao wenye wanaogopa maybe wanaweza pata wanaenda wachukue wanunue watumie. It's used for around 6 months hapo.
Asegetie kiga kia University ya Kisii no ababwatani ao kurwa asebyombe ao na AHF Kenya nako babo ikirana gaiga lindo kurwa basemi ko kya sava sai ngoki kira chino ngo chogwetanga kurwa Samaruire Anthony buno bore bori bonyamoryo nabo igo na morirande ao goitra asobutumika emepira ingoripotera Soko TV kurwa ase county ya Kisii ireteriane Wycliffe Orenge.